If I were to point out one single thing that is wrong with us, or perhaps the greatest thing that is wrong with us, so much wrong with us that if we were to fix that single element, we would be able to perhaps fix everything, or at least start to fix things. And that would be self-criticism. May that be any segment of society, every individual must start to criticize themselves and fix themselves before we can begin to start fixing others. But the thing is, we are so immersed and so obsessed with perhaps others' faults, the faults of other people, the faults of people around us, the faults of our leaders or rulers, the fault of the other nations. We don't get time actually left over for ourselves. So let's start to focus on self-criticism so we may start to learn to fix ourselves as individuals, as a nation, as an ummah, as humanity. Let's start to focus on ourselves before we move on to others.